Sylvia's mother says, take your umbrella, 'cause Sylvia's starting to rain. And Sylvia's mother says, thank you for calling, and someone should come back again. And the operator sings more, sings more from the next 3 minutes. Please, Mrs. Avery, I just gotta talk to her. Only keep her a while. Please, Mrs. Avery, I just wanna tell her goodbye. Tell her goodbye. Tell her goodbye. Tell her goodbye. Tell her
Could you save that song and I'll just change some things?
It was up a little bit, but still not very clear in my ears on that one. Did you think it was clear? Did you hear? Yeah, okay.
My guitar
Yeah.
seemed a little loud, and Willie's keyboard and vocal